Guys, today I will teach you how to make a website. First, go to site.google.com. Let's start with the new blank site. Let's give it a title. Website. Now let's give it a real name. Site. Let's make an image and text. I'll select an image. What about this one? Let's give text. A cookie. From a game. Let's make it more bigger to see. Cool. Now let's give it a button. Scratch or open Scratch. Now the link. Give it a cool link. Oh, I done something wrong. Now I'll do this website here. Insert. Let's make it so tall and in the middle. Now let's give it a page. New page is a new link. First let's give it a name. Scratch. Here. Scratch. Dot MIT .edu. Now let's click done. Let's go to themes. Let's make a new one. A heavy title, and we have new color. I'll make it orange. Cool. Let's give it a logo. I'll make 2 logos. I have this one. I have this one. Cool. Now let's put this title in the middle of the screen. Here. Cool. Let's give it a cool banner type. I think a large banner will be cool. Let's give it a video. Let's look for YouTube and search for a video. This one. Insert. Let's put it here. Let's make it huge in the middle of the screen. Cool. Let's see the preview. You have the logo and the site logo. You have a link, a search, and an image, text, information, a button, a video. Cool. Now we want this to be online. Let's get started. First, press this button, publish, and give it a website address. I'll make it site -10. It's already taken 100. No, let's give it one better. Com minus. Okay, let's give it someone better. Scratch -10. Now let's publish. Cool. Let's press this button, view. Here it is, the website in real preview. We have the domain. Here it is. A cookie, image, you can search for it. We can open Scratch, here it is. We can run a video of mine. We can do everything. Now if you want episode 2, then like this video. I'll make a playlist, then watch it all. Goodbye guys, I hope you have a nice day. Scratch on!